Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Online. And today's session, as you know, will be again on SSC CGL previous year question papers. I'm your trainer Praveen Jadhav, where we'll be dealing with previous year question papers of SSC CGL and discussing them in detail, that is forward and backward linkages. मैंने सेशन का टाइमिंग काफी छोटा रखने की कोशिश की है so that whenever you have a gap between two reading sessions, अगर आप arithmetic या फिर reasoning कर रहे हो और आप बोर हो रहे हो या फिर there is something you need a change of mood, then आप हमारा SSC previous year question papers का वीडियो देख के you can revive up and get back to the studies that you're usually doing. So this is the intention of keeping this video as brief as possible. Okay, so let's get started. We have already completed 15 questions in this paper. 15 क्वेश्चन हो चुके हैं. अब हम 16वें क्वेश्चन के साथ स्टार्ट करेंगे. Which team won Ranji Trophy in 2000 Trophy Final 2017? 2019 का क्वेश्चन पेपर है ये. इस पे 2017 का पूछा गया है. तो यहाँ पर आंसर आपको पता होना चाहिए. अगर नहीं पता है तो दैट्स फाइन. इट इज विदर्भा. आपको याद रखना कौन सा है. 2019-20 का आपको याद रखना है. 2019-20 में किसने जीता था ये आपको याद रखना है. इट वॉज वन बाय सौराष्ट्र. बस ये फैक्ट आपको याद रखना है. यहाँ पे चलिए आगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ बढ़ते हैं. यहाँ पे ना नेम द फर्स्ट इंडियन बजट कैरियर to join International Air Transport Association. International Air Transport Association को ज्वाइन करने वाला पहला बजट कैरियर कौन सा है. ना इंडिगो, स्पाइस जेट, गो एयर, जेट एयरवेज. आप अपने दिमाग में रखिए इस चीज को. कौन सा है एयरक्राफ्ट. आंसर आप अपने दिमाग में बनाइए. यस, द आंसर हियर इज स्पाइस जेट. द आंसर हियर इज स्पाइस जेट. IATA का यहाँ पर एक फैक्ट हम लोग क्विक फैक्ट देख लेते हैं. इंटरनेशनल एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट एसोसिएशन का इंटरनेशनल एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट एसोसिएशन का हेडक्वार्टर्स भी पूछा जा सकता है, विच इज इन मॉन्ट्रियल. मॉन्ट्रियल कनाडा में है. यस. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मूविंग अहेड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे अपना अगला क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है. अगला क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन aldehyde. क्या पूछ रहा है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन aldehyde. सो योर आंसर हियर प्रोपेनॉल. प्रोपेनॉल दो बार प्रिंट हो गया है. प्रोपेनॉल, प्रोपेन, प्रोपाइन. योर आंसर. यस, द आंसर इज प्रोपेनॉल. Now what are aldehydes? Let's try to understand aldehyde क्या होते हैं. Now एक सिंपल भाषा में अगर मैं आपको aldehyde समझाने की कोशिश करूं, aldehyde are the organic compounds. ये organic compounds होते हैं जिनमें कार्बन के साथ कार्बन has double bond with oxygen. If carbon has a double bond with oxygen, yes, if organic compound, the organic compounds in which carbon has double bond with oxygen, has double bond with oxygen. चलिए इसको जल्दी से समझते हैं. aldehyde कैसा होता है. इसका स्ट्रक्चर देखिए. यहाँ पे कार्बन होता है एंड देयर आर डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन. यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन, यहाँ पे R. ये R का मतलब क्या है. This R can be any other atom or group of atoms. This R can be any other atom or group of atoms. If there is a double bond here, if there is a double bond between carbon and oxygen, then it forms a aldehyde. Okay. Now, if I go back, if there is single bond between carbon and oxygen, then it forms a primary alcohol. इसको क्या कहलाया जाता है. प्राइमरी अल्कोहल बोला जाता है. अगर ऑक्सीजन के साथ कोई बॉन्ड ही नहीं है, if there is no bond with the oxygen, then it is called as anyone. and it is called as an alkane. And if there is a triple bond with oxygen, what if there is a triple bond with oxygen? 1, 2, 3, triple bond with oxygen. No, 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 no. Double bond यहाँ पे आएगा, and yeah, yes. If there is a triple bond with oxygen, oxygen is here, 2 bonds here and 1 bond here, then it becomes a acid. Then it becomes a acid. Now you have to remember one simple thing here, that if there is a double bond with oxygen, carbon is an organic compound having double bond with oxygen. Organic compound in which carbon has double bond with oxygen, it forms an aldehyde. अगर ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है तो एसिड बन जाता है, अगर एक ही बॉन्ड है तो प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, if there is no bond then it becomes a alkane. Okay. Now let's have a look at the next question that we have here. In March 2019, Social Media Platform and Internet Mobile Association of India presented a dash for general elections 2019 to the elections, general election 2018 to the election commission, to the election commission. Center of voting list, detailed to-do list, precautionary code, voluntary code of ethics. Answer your option, guys. The option, correct option here is voluntary code of ethics. What is this voluntary code of ethics? Voluntary code of ethics was first time then in 17th Lok Sabha election, which was conducted in Haryana and Maharashtra. Haryana and Maharashtra. सबसे पहले कहाँ किया गया था? When was voluntary code of ethics first time applied? अगर पूछा जाए तो Haryana and Maharashtra. And who were the companies that came up? Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. ये काफी सारे companies आए. They came up with a voluntary code of ethics to conduct free and fair elections, unbiased and fair elections conduct करने के लिए. These companies, these social media platforms came up on their own in the year 2019, and for this, these elections were going on already in Lok Sabha elections were going on already in Haryana and Maharashtra. They extended it to further upcoming elections as well. Okay, when was it done, or when was it for which states was it first done? आपको याद रखना है यहाँ पे. Okay, who was the founder of Chalukya dynasty? Interesting question here. Who was the founder of Chalukya dynasty? Please come up with an answer. Narasimhavarman, Mangalesa, Kirtivarman, Pulkesin. What do we have here? Narasimhavarman, Kirtivarman, Mangalesa, Pulkesin. Answer is Pulakesin 1. The answer is Pulakesin 1. In the year 543 BC, he founded the Chalukya dynasty. Where was the capital of the Chalukya dynasty? Vatapi. Today's modern days Badami. It is in Bagalkot district. Bagalkot district of Karnataka. It is in Bagalkot district of Karnataka. Well, to understand a little bit, Pulakeshini one son was Kirtivarman. Who was the son of Pulakeshini one? He was Kirtivarman. Okay, Kirtivarman's son was Kirtivarman's son. Here we have third option. Pulakeshini one's son is Kirtivarman. Now, Kirtivarman's son is Pulakeshini two. Pulakesin 2. Now, Pulakesin 2 is very popular because he had a very good ruling time. He ruled for 34 long years and is majorly known for the defeat that he made. He defeated Harshavardhan. Pulakeshini 2 is known for the defeat of Harshavardhan and also the murder of, he also killed Mangalesa. Mangalesa was a brother of Kirtivarman. So the Mangalesa was brother of Kirtivarman and Pulakeshini was the father of Kirtivarman. And who is Narasimhavarman? The next option that we have here is Narasimha Varman. Narasimha Varman? Yes. Narasimha Varman belongs to Pallava dynasty. It belongs to Pallava dynasty. Yes. Narasimha Varman's son, Narasimha Varman was the son of, he was the son of, yes, Mahendra Varman I. Mahendra Varman I. Mahendra Varman was the son of Simha Vishnu. And who was the founder of Pallava dynasty? He was also the founder of Pallava dynasty. So, what have we learned in this question? We have learned that Pulakeshini I, they established a dynasty in the year 543 BC, and their capital was Badami Vatapi Bagalkot. Pulakeshini I's son is Kirtivarman, and his brother is Mangalesa. Kirtivarman's son, Pulakeshini II, is a very popular ruler who ruled for 34 years and is known for defeat or holding Harshavardhan's army. And then here another option that we had was Narasimha Varman. Narasimha Varman belonged to Pallava dynasty. He was the son of Mahendra Varman I, and Mahendra Varman I was the son of Simha Vishnu, who was the founder of Pallava dynasty. Okay, they were all Shaivites. Yes, these were the 5 quick questions of today. If you can see, we have already done 20 questions, 15 questions fairly, where we have in detail discussed a lot of forward and backward linkages. If you are able to make some time, please do go to our videos, previous videos on GK, my videos in particular. They are about GK. The rest of the videos are also available where Abhilash Verma is discussing various topics on time, speed, and distance, and Kanakaraj has gone through a lot of in detail in trigonometry. Well, guys, I appreciate your time and patience. I hope to see you soon. Till then, take care.